my nighttime fragrances, and I have about 8 fragrances to share with you. So let's get straight into the video. So first of all, I'd like to say a very big thank you to all my new subscribers, and for those of you who are new here, please consider subscribing and pressing that notification bell so that you know when I upload videos. I upload weekly. I always show you new videos every week, so make sure you tune in for that. I wanted to share with you today beautiful fragrances that I like to wear in the evening times, or fragrances I prefer to wear to bed, working my way up towards my favorite fragrance that I love wearing to bed. So starting with this fragrance here, this is my Pure Musk by Narciso Rodriguez, and this beautiful soft powdery musk is such a lovely fragrance to wear in the evening times, especially if you just want something quite delicate and floral, but it has that true hit of musk. This is quite floral, but it has this warm musk note to it. It's something I like to wear in the evenings. This is a fragrance I'd find it very hard to wear in the day, I think, because it's got that sort of relaxed note about it. This is just a perfect evening scent for me. Like, we have some floral notes, we've got a floral bouquet in here, and then we have some cashmere in the base. And this fragrance is quite floral with a hit of musk. And if you prefer to wear musk in the day, then you could probably wear this. But for me, this is just like a true evening scent or a true nighttime scent. It's lovely. You've got that floral burst in the heart, and it's just a gorgeous fragrance, absolutely beautiful. So that's my Pure Musk. So the next perfume that I have to share with you is my Penhaligons Artemisia. Now this gorgeous fragrance is so delicate. There's a light sweetness of this fragrance. It's ever so soft and floral. It has like a sweet note to it. It reminds me of, if you can remember, like, you know, from your childhood days, you would receive those little sweets, like perhaps maybe the little love hearts. It's got that sort of powdery violet soft note in here, but it reminds me of those little candies we used to have as kids, the little love hearts. It reminds me of that. And this is such a beautiful fragrance to wear in the evening. So when you're calming down, you're unwinding after a long busy day, this is just such a pleasant fragrance to wear in the house. And it's quite cozy, a lovely nighttime fragrance to wear to bed. So in this beautiful perfume, we have nectarine, we have some green notes. In the heart, we have green apple, we have lily of the valley, we've got jasmine, we have tea, and we have violet in here. So yeah, you can really smell the violet in here. It's just so powdery and pretty. It's a beautiful perfume. And then in the base, we have oak moss, sandalwood, we have white musk and amber. And this is just such a lovely delicate scent. Now with my Penhaligon fragrances, this is a eau de parfum, and this is very long lasting. So this is going to last throughout the whole night, and it's just a beautiful fragrance. Even when you wear this in the day, it will last up to about 6 hours. It's beautiful, and it's such a light, soft, woody type of fragrance of the amber, but then you've got the violet, you've got musk in here. It's beautiful. One of my most coziest scents. I love this. This is perfect for, this is something you could wear in the theatre as well, or date nights. You don't want your fragrance to be too overwhelming, so you might be watching a movie together in the cinema or watching a show and you're quite close together. This is a very nice, soft, gentle fragrance, and again, this is like a Netflix and chill fragrance as well. It's like you're sitting together, you're all cozied up, cuddling, and this is just so pleasant and warm. So that's my Artemisia. Now the next scent I have is one of my favorite perfumes to wear to bed. So this beautiful fragrance by Chanel is my Chanel number 5, and this is the Eau Premiere version. Now this fragrance is very similar to the original Chanel number 5, and it's very sparkling, but then it has that warm musky base with some vanilla and sandalwood. And this is so beautiful. It's much more delicate than the original Chanel number 5, but this has such a cozy, very cozy, warm, beautiful fragrance to wear to bed. This is gorgeous. This is also cuddle worthy. And to be honest, this is a fragrance I like to actually spray my linen with. So there's just something about it. If you like powder and musk with a bit of citrus, then this is ideal for you. So the notes in this fragrance is, we have jasmine, we have rose absolute, we have some ylang ylang neroli, and like I said before, we have that sandalwood, we have the vanilla and the vetiver. And this is a fragrance that I absolutely love to wear. Now I do own the original Chanel number 5, but this is the fragrance I would actually wear more, and you can see that I've worn much more in this actual bottle here. If I'm going to wear Chanel number 5, I'm going to grab this fragrance. I just find this fragrance so much easier to wear, but this is such a beautiful, sensual fragrance to wear during the night, if you're with your love, if you're cuddling, Netflix and chill, the two of you are on the couch drinking hot cocoa together, watching a movie. This is cuddle worthy, and it's more mature as well. I feel like this is more for the woman. This is your 30+ fragrance, and it's just ideal for nighttime. This is one of my favorite fragrances. I love this perfume. It's gorgeous, and there's something about it. It does smell mature, it smells confident, and it is quite elegant as well. It's a very elegant fragrance to wear to bed. Beautiful fragrance. Now the next fragrance I have, I would describe this more towards the younger market, like the younger demographic. And I would say this is from, you know, 20s plus. If you wanted to wear this in the evenings, date nights, and to bed as well, if you want something cozy and sweet, it's going to relax you, then I think this is a lovely playful scent. And this is my Poison Girl. This version is the EDT version, so it's much lighter than the original Eau de Parfum, and there's a sweetness to this fragrance, very playful, but yet it does cover you with this veil of warmth and youth and sweetness. It's a very playful but pretty as well. This can be worn by any age group, which is what I love, but I think that if you're around 20 plus, then this is a go-to fragrance for you. So the notes we have in here, we have orange bitters, we have May Rose, we have Damask Rose, we have the tonka bean and the vanilla. And like I said, you've got that sweetness, and that's coming from the tonka. It's a creamy sweetness, and then you've got the orange citrus in here as well. That's making it a little bit fruity, but I just find that vanilla and the tonka so creamy and so easy to wear. And I do adore this fragrance as well. It's just such a beautiful fragrance. This perfume again is something I would spray my room with, my linen, because it's just such a beautiful fragrance. And like I said, this is the EDT version, so it's a little bit more, it's slightly lighter in the composition, and it does wear for about 4 hours plus, this one here. And I think again, when you're wearing fragrances to bed, you probably do want to look for EDTs or like an All Fresh, something that's a little bit lighter. You don't want anything that's too deep or too strong, but then it's just by your preference as well. So that's my Poison Girl. And now my darlings, this fragrance here that I'm about to show you is a favorite of mine. I absolutely love this perfume, and you might have seen this in my other videos. Recently I put up a video talking about one of my favorite scents. And this is a fragrance that I received a sample of this perfume, I think the beginning of this year, so I was just wearing it, and I just fell in love with this fragrance. It's absolutely one of my new faves, and that's my Narciso Poudre. This fragrance is gorgeous, okay? It's so gorgeous. It is sensual, it is soft, it is a woman's fragrance, it is elegant, it is delicate. You've got the musk powder, it's like a soft cloud, and I just love this perfume. Absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite scents to wear in the evenings and definitely to bed, because it was just so soothing. It relaxed me, it was just so comforting. But then you can wear this in the day. It's such a beautiful, elegant fragrance. It's absolutely lovely, creamy cloud, beautiful. I'm in love with this fragrance right now, and I'm just so excited for autumn, because this is just something I'll be wearing from now on. This is gorgeous. So we have in this wonderful fragrance, we have powdery musk, we have Bulgarian rose, we have some white jasmine, we also have some woody notes. So we've got woody vetiver, and then we have black and white cedar. Give this fragrance a try, because this is the season to be wearing this perfume. It's absolutely gorgeous. It is soft, delicate, feminine as well, and it's quite a powerful scent. Now when I say delicate, I don't mean the fact that the projection is like a very light projection. This projection is very high, very high projection in this fragrance, but it's soft. When I say delicate, I just mean it smells tender, and it's very pleasant to wear. So I do love this gorgeous fragrance. And in the notes of this beautiful perfume, we have powdery musk, Bulgarian rose, we have the jasmine, woody vetiver, black and white cedar. So give this fragrance a try if you like soft, powdery clouds. It's like whipped, creamy, floral powder. It's just beautiful. It's a gorgeous scent, absolutely gorgeous, and it's quite sexy too. So this is definitely perfect for your bedtime scent. It's beautiful. So now we're heading towards my top 3 fragrances now. So if you are new to my channel, definitely consider subscribing and joining my family here on YouTube. The next fragrance I have to show you is this beautiful fragrance by Lancome, and this is my Lovelies Belle. Lovelies Belle is one of those fragrances that depicts femininity. It depicts softness, it's pretty, it's very elegant, ladylike, and there is a softness to this. If you like fragrances that are floral with some sweetness, but it's very delicate and beautiful, then this fragrance is definitely for you. This is one of the top selling fragrances by Lancome. It's one of their best sellers. This fragrance is also an easy blind buy fragrance. You shouldn't really be too disappointed. And again, with this fragrance, if you're gifting someone and you're not too sure of their personal fragrance style, then you should be fine with this perfume here. It's very easy to wear, but it's very, again, it's one of my romantic fragrances. It's cuddle worthy. It's something you can wear to bed. Very beautiful fragrance here. So in this perfume, we have a mixture of some iris in the notes, and we have in the top some pear, some blackberry. We also have some orange blossom, jasmine, sambac, patchouli essence in the base. Now this is just very, it's just beautiful. It's just such a beautiful fragrance. This is something I like to wear in lingerie or cozy, you know, flannel pajamas, or, you know, you're relaxed at home, just comfortable clothing. But this is also lingerie worthy, cuddle worthy, date night worthy, and also bedtime worthy. This is something I would spray my pillows with, or my linen. It just has a soft, tender fragrance to it. Very elegant, very ladylike, very classy as well. So this is my Lovelies Belle perfume. Give this a try. The next fragrance I have for you is this beautiful perfume by GOURMAND, and this beautiful girly sophisticated sweet fragrance is my Mongeau. Now this fragrance is something that just says romance to me. It's something you can wear, you know, to bed. It's something that's quite sensual and elegant and soft and sweet. You've got a mixture of vanilla, you've got your jasmine in this fragrance, and with the jasmine and with the vanilla mix, it's very soothing, very comforting. It relaxes you, definitely with that burst of lavender. And the lavender, oh yeah, it's just so beautiful. It's such a gorgeous fragrance and it's very romantic. This is perfect for date night or in close proximity to your love or your, you know, the person you're sharing that date with. You're watching a movie together, you are in the theatre, you know, intimate dinners together, cozied up on the couch watching a movie. This is just, you know, cuddle worthy, romantic, sweet, with that aromatic vanilla in there and the lavender. It's gorgeous, beautiful fragrance. At number one, my next fragrance I'm going to show you is my Coco Mademoiselle. This beautiful, elegant, vibrant fragrance is a very complex blend. This perfume is loved by many. Very popular, well-known fragrance by Chanel, one of their top selling fragrances, and this gorgeous fragrance is like a burst of citrus. This fragrance is extremely versatile and I love to wear this perfume to bed. It's very elegant and sophisticated, and if you still want to carry that vibe to bed, then this is the fragrance for you. If you want to smell sophisticated and elegant and classy, then this is definitely for you. This fragrance reminds me of lingerie. It's very long wearing as well, very long lasting. You're going to smell beautiful, your lingerie is going to smell sweet and sexy and vibrant, and your bed sheets will be left smelling like there was a princess that fell asleep in your bed. We have orange, bergamot, grapefruit, that's in the top note, and then we have a heart of lychee, rose and jasmine. Then we have the patchouli, we have vetiver, we have vanilla, and we have musk in the base. With the musk in this fragrance, it just leaves the skin feeling so soft and elegant, very sexy, a perfect nighttime fragrance. If you still want that nighttime scent but you want to smell a bit glamorous, then this is my number one fragrance for you. So that's my Coco Mademoiselle. I love this fragrance. My darlings, those were my favorite perfumes to wear to bed. I would love to know, what are your favorite perfumes? Leave a comment down below and I will reply straight back. And I will see you in my next video. My darlings, have a wonderful day and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.